Hello there, welcome back. I make a mistake by deleting some footage. So I have to do with this. I have already sharpened it. You can see. Let me see. Take off my glasses, otherwise I can't see. Come on. Okay. Here you have it. And I had to clean up a little bit. I know. So. Come out wherever you are. So we do it like this. Oh yeah. You have to protect your knife, and that's why you tape it off, whatever you do, to protect it. So, okay, I had to clean it up. Clean up. Okay, now a little bit of soapy water. That's here. And we take this one. Okay. Come on. Okay. So, first of all, I will clean it after with alcohol. Come on. And this alcohol is, come on, focused. 96%. So, if there is something on it, it will be clean. And I will do it every time if I had sharpening a knife. So, that's it. I can do a little sharpening. Oh. This has to be okay. If you can see, it's nice and sharp. No problem with it. So that's it. Okay. I have in my collection. So I had here the newer version of this one. You have here some nail, how you call it, to pull it out. So you see the difference. You see the difference. Okay, yeah. Look. Looky. Okay, come on. Focused. Come, please. You can see you have here your nail groove to pull it out, and you have here an eye. Yes. Safety first. is spring lock. So this one. Okay, and probably yes, they are the same of length. And the new one is a little bit thicker. You don't want to show on focus. Very well, come on, please work with me. Yes, you can see, yes, you have a difference here. Okay, but otherwise, the same length. You can put it on each other. Tiny. Here, yes. It's a little bit different. It's a tiny bit. So, okay. This new one, old one. What do we have here? We have here Philips. Let's see what the changes is. You have here Philips. And they are the same. Okay. And you have here a nail breaker. Oh, I don't have nails, so I have get a little bit help. Okay, okie. You have here aisle. You call it aisle. We call it here priem in the Netherlands. And do we have here? Yes. And we have it here also. And are they the same? Yes, they are the same. A little bit difference of a little bit wider, I think. No, the same. It's the same. Okay. Oh, click. Okay, well, that's right. Of course, you have the same knife, and you have here your saw. Okay. This one have a saw. No saw. Okay, there you have your difference. This one have a saw of whatever you call it. And let's go further. And it's even line locked. What? Yes. This is locked also with a spring that you can pull it up, pull out. Okay, let me see here. Oh, come on. You have here a can opener. And I know I'm a culture barbarian, but my nails is not so strong that you said I can pull it out. Okay, I had to clean up, but they are the same too. You can open cans and you have either one, a little screwdriver on top. Okay, do that back. And last but not least, I will probably okay, bottle opener with a big flat screwdriver, and I think the last one is the same. No, the other side. Okay, yeah. The other side, the new one is the same. Only the bling bling is more than this one. Sorry, because this one is younger. Yes. The only difference is this have a saw and that other one, the older one, haven't. So, I know, you don't have to pull it out with. Oh, here's the difference. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Yes. I see a difference here. You have here spring that locks in the bottle opener and the screwdriver. Here, over here, it snaps in place. It's not a spring. That okay. So old versus new. Here we have it, and it's already sharp. And okay, I'm sorry about the lost footage, but you can also see this one is on my channel. The only difference is with that and this one is that this improvement of to getting out the knife more easier. This more practical than if you have this nail. It works. I have to be careful when I put my hands. It works, but this is a little bit, I call it, friendlier to get out or get open the knife. So there you have it. Both knives from the army, Dutch army, and yes. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Subscribe, make a comment, like, and ding ding bell. Ding ding bell. Bye bye.